Imagine you're standing in front of a massive, towering skyscraper. It's one of those banks that seem to dominate the skyline. Now, imagine a small, cozy cottage tucked away in a quiet neighborhood. Which one would you associate with big bank? Today, we're going to dive into the world of EverBank. You might have heard this name thrown around, but have you ever wondered if it's one of those towering skyscrapers or the cozy cottage? Let's find out. What is EverBank? EverBank is a financial institution that was founded in 1998. It started out as a small, regional bank, but over the years, it has expanded its operations and services. But is it considered a big bank? Let's break down what that means. Defining big bank. When we talk about a big bank, we're usually referring to a few key factors. Asterisk size asterisk this includes the number of branches, assets, and customers. Asterisk reach asterisk how widespread are its operations. Does it serve customers across the country or even globally? Asterisk influence asterisk how much power does it have in the financial industry? Does it set trends or shape regulations? EverBank size. Let's start with size. While EverBank has grown significantly since its inception, it's still not on the same level as some of the largest banks in the world. It has a limited number of branches compared to giants like Bank of America or JP Chase. Its assets, though substantial, are also not in the same league. EverBank's reach. When it comes to reach, EverBank has a more regional presence. It primarily serves customers in the United States, with a focus on certain areas. While it has expanded its online and mobile banking services to reach a wider audience, it's still not as ubiquitous as some of the bigger names. EverBank's influence. In terms of influence, EverBank is not a major player in shaping the financial industry. It doesn't have the same level of clout as the largest banks when it comes to setting trends or lobbying for regulatory changes. So, is EverBank a big bank? Based on the factors we've discussed, it's safe to say that EverBank is not a big bank in the traditional sense. It's more of a mid-sized financial institution with a regional focus. Why does it matter? You might be wondering why it even matters whether a bank is big or small. Well, it can have implications for things like asterisk services asterisk larger banks often offer a wider range of products and services. Asterisk fees asterisk smaller banks might have lower fees or more competitive rates. Asterisk customer service asterisk some people prefer the personalized attention of a smaller bank. Choosing the right bank. Ultimately, the best bank for you depends on your individual needs and preferences. If you're looking for a wide range of services and a national presence, a big bank might be a good option. But if you prefer a more personalized experience and lower fees, EverBank or a similar mid-sized bank could be a better fit. Asterisk so, to answer the question we posed at the beginning, no, EverBank is not a big bank. It's a mid-sized financial institution with a regional focus. Whether that's a good or bad thing depends on your individual needs. With that said, thanks for watching and until next time.